All right, so we just walked into the property on 57th Street. Here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We got some cleanup we gotta do. Actually, we're going to the basement first. So we got a bunch of cleanup we gotta do. As you can see. And some cans, you know, we see in the back and side. And some cans back there. Just some minor work down here, you know, black mold. You can do 50-50 on that, clean that up. Let's see. All right, it's the kitchen here. Gotta do some cleaning up in here, nothing major. Bathroom, we gotta clean up. One of the cleanest rooms in here. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom. It's another room. It's not too much work. This house has been sitting here for about 9-10 years. It's been sitting here. So front room. Got a couple partners on the way here, so they'll be here soon to help. Upstairs. I don't think this light switch worked, but there's another closet space area. You know, obviously going back downstairs to the main floor. Up here as well. Closet storage, bookshelf, bedroom. So some cleanup we got to do, but we're gonna have it done for sure by Monday. Today is Thursday the 7th, so we definitely got enough time to knock it out and get it ready for the new homeowners. All right, that's it, Locust Investments. All right, so we back here again, walking to the property on 57th Street. It's getting a little better. Property already closed, so it's just kind of after the fact. Before the first video part was almost cleaning up, so now I can show you which was done so far. So starting to the basement again. All right, so they still got to move this here. So it's cleaned out pretty good. So this one already closed on Tuesday. We just doing some last little bit of cleaning up. But from what was done before, it's a little bit more work. I was hoping to get it done by the time closing happened, but you know, didn't get it done yet. So it's all good to go, but we got a lot done though. Got my team out here, movers, and you know, we're getting it all done though. All right, so now we're going back upstairs. So this is the mold, we just got to do that here. Actually, the buyer's just gonna handle that. We're going back upstairs to the main level. This is kitchen. Got the stove still sitting here. Refrigerator out. Table out. A little bit more things to do, but we'll be done for sure today. This is minor. They just went to the dump, you know, to make that happen, and then we got one last trip. So we got here. Gotta do the rehabs. Another room here. Like I said, this is done. Like I said, this is one of the cleaner rooms. We got this done as well. The other room, like I said, it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom. So that stays with the house. That's window treatment for the front room. This is the front room here. So have a lot done, like I said, as you can see. And back up the stairs. So, like I said, it was boxes in here, closet. It's cleaned out. As you can see in here, there's another storage area in here, but that's gonna stay as is for the new homeowners. So the closet that was in here had an extra removable wall closet. So this is a bookshelf, cleaned out. So chair here at first, cleaned that out. Bedroom set, cleaned out. As you can see, just the comforters, pillows, all that good stuff, but we got the mattresses out already. So, like I said, it was done pretty much over the weekend, and we're all good to go. Like I said, a little more things to do, and we're all good. All right, check in with us, Locust Investments, and talk to you soon. Yep.